Hey, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a straight to curly kind of hair routine. I've had my hair straight for like a week now, but I think it's time to get my curls back. Though I haven't straightened my hair in like about a year because I've gone all natural, and I recently straightened it for Christmas. So for the first thing that I use is basically a coconut co-wash. I kind of use this as a deep conditioner only because I haven't found one that I love, and I really am like searching for some. So if you guys know any deep conditioning favorites that you use, please let me know. But as for now, I use this As I Am coconut co-wash, and it's honestly the best thing that I've been using because it's more of a mousse rather than like a gel type thing, but it smells like so good, and my hair is like really dry right now. So I'm gonna be sectioning off my hair. I'll put on my glasses because I literally can't see anything. So I'm just gonna take about this much just to put like in this section of my hair, so and just like rake it through. I rake it through so that I can get every part of my hair. After I'm done, I just like put it into a little ball. You can't really see it from this angle, but I can't wait to wash it to like just bring back the curls. Don't mind this right now. Like my hair's not, this isn't my hair. It's gonna get curly one side. Yeah, but my hair did grow. Kind of like massage your scalp. I don't even know if I'm in focus. I'm sorry, I can't see anything. So I'm just gonna use a scrunchie to basically put my hair up. Because I'm going to be leaving this in for about I'm going to be leaving this deep condition in for about, just leaving it in for like 5 minutes, because this isn't really like a deep condition. This is more of like for my scalp, because I needed to wash my scalp because I never straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair for a while, so that's why I wanted to get like my roots and my scalp. So I'm just gonna be like massaging it to get the buildup and dirt that was in my hair while I straightened it, or built up while it was. I'm gonna be using this for my hair. So firstly, I'm just gonna wash this out after I'm done talking, but I'm about to go shower, but I'm going to use this Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal shampoo, and it honestly like works so well with my hair, and it doesn't have any sulfates or parabens or anything. Like I always check before I buy shampoo or conditioner. Nourish, Garnier Fructis, conditioner, and it basically has like coconuts, and like I love coconut smelling conditioners and shampoos, so I'm going to be using this. That also has no parabens or sulfates or anything, so I'm going to go wash my hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys my routine on like what I put in my hair and stuff. Out of the shower, as you can see, my hair is like gross right now, but I'm gonna try the OLC method, which is basically oil, leave-in, and cream. So I have this oil that I just put in. It's like a serum type thing, basically, and it's like a frizz buster, and I love using this because it like really gets rid of my frizz, because like I used to have really unhealthy frizzy hair. So like this is what I use to help with it. And sorry for my crusty nails. Like I really was gonna do them for this video, but I was like, so first this is my holy grail. I use this. People ask me what I use for my hair, and this is what I use all the time for curly hair. I love Cantu, but I recently got the one with Argan Oil, and it honestly is like amazing. So like you should really get this. You can buy it at Target, CVS, like basically anywhere, but you have to like, Target is like the best place to get it. Section off my hair with this little scrunchie that I got from CVS. All I do is just get a little and kind of just rake it through my hair. And also during my shower to untangle, I use a Denman brush because these are honestly like the best. Mine is kind of ripped, but I want to get like the big version of it because I heard those ones were really nice. I think it's easy to section off your hair while you're doing this because you can get the moisture throughout your whole head. And I just like feel around to like where I think it's dry that I need to add a little bit more or whatever. So usually my hair, it's like really blonde. In some sections, you can't really tell now, but like, it really is. It's crazy. See, this is what I do because I love to get my roots first, and then I just bring it. Now what I like to do is just move it around. And just like rake it and like, I love doing that. Oh, the little kid's helping his mom with the trash. That's the cutest thing. I almost dropped that. So this is the finished hair. I let it usually air dry because I don't have time to sit there with the blow dryer, but in the winter time I usually do my hair the night before and then just put it in a ponytail or pineapple and just sleep through the night and just like fluff it out in the morning. This was entertaining for you guys, and I know that you guys have been waiting for this hair routine, whatever, but this was fun to film. And if you guys have any more suggestions on video ideas, please let me know in the description below. And please subscribe and like this video. I love you guys so much.